he can be sentenced up to 5 years for each count, for a statutory maximum of 10 years. We respectfully request that the court impose a sentence significantly below the statutory maximum sentence in this case, Manafort's lawyers said in the filing on Monday night. Mr. Manafort has been punished substantially, including the forfeiture of most of his assets, the lawyers added. In light of his age and health concerns, a significant additional period of incarceration will likely amount to a life sentence for a first-time offender. Special counsel Robert Mueller's team said in a filing on Saturday that Manafort repeatedly and brazenly broke the law, and argued he did not deserve leniency at sentencing. NL1N20I0CC. While Mueller did not recommend a specific sentence, he portrayed Manafort as a hardened criminal who was at risk of repeating criminal behavior if released from prison. Despite Manafort's agreement to plead guilty and cooperate, Mueller's team in November accused Manafort of violating the agreement by lying repeatedly to prosecutors on subjects including his interactions with a business partner they have said has ties to Russian intelligence. U.S. District Judge Amy Berman Jackson ruled earlier this month that Manafort had breached the deal. Manafort's attorneys on Monday disputed prosecutors' characterization of their client as a brazen criminal. Mueller is investigating allegations of Russian interference in the 2016 U.S. presidential election and any collusion between Russia and the campaign of President Donald Trump. Russia denies trying to interfere in the election, and Trump says his team did not collude with Moscow. In Monday's filing, Manafort's lawyers stressed that their client had not been charged with Russian collusion. They also provided the judge with quotes from multiple character witnesses, including Manafort's wife, Kathleen, and daughter Andrea Shand, who said her father is truly a good man who is worthy of forgiveness. It did not cite any letters from Manafort's other daughter, Jessica Manafort, who has since legally changed her last name to Bond. Manafort is due to be sentenced on March 8 in a separate case in Alexandria, Virginia. He faces up to 25 years in prison under federal sentencing guidelines in that case, in which he was convicted last year of financial crimes. In Monday's filing, Manafort's lawyers asked the Washington judge to impose a concurrent sentence if he receives prison sentences in both cases.